Hello, financial fans. It's the first day of the year 2021. We'll see how this year goes. And last year was good for me as far as I didn't have any problems like many people did in 2020, but it was an all right year for me and good financially and in other ways. What I'll do is give you a list of all the stocks that I own. I own 25 different stocks in my portfolio, and do a little bit of a analysis of four other stocks, and then I'll mention a couple of stocks. By the way, the cat is playing with the tripod, so in case the camera moves, it's not a ghost camera operator or anything. The stocks I own right now: AGNC, and it is down 8% from when I bought it a long time ago. Amazon, AMZN, and that is up 68% since I bought it about probably a year or two ago. ARKG is up 2%. ARKK is down 4%. ARKW is up 2%. So pretty much of a wash right there, and we'll see what happens with those in the coming week. BTI is a stock I own. It's up 13%, and I don't think I've had that one quite a year yet. CHV is up 29% since I bought it, and I think that might be CHY. CIM is down 43% since I bought it. CVS is up 14% since I bought it. DHT up 1%. Facebook is up 45% since I bought it probably about a year ago. And FB is Facebook. FRO is down 8% since I bought it a couple of months ago. IBM is up 1%. INTC, Intel, is up 9% since I bought it. LVS, Las Vegas Sands, is up 1% since I bought it. Mo is up 10% since I bought it, and Mo pays a very nice dividend. NVS is up 15% since I bought it. PBF is down 8%. PFE, Pfizer, had a pretty good year. That's up 13%. RTX, which is Raytheon, wait and see what happens with war drums in the Middle East there. RTX is down 1% since I bought it. Sunico, which symbol SUN, is up 1% since I bought it. VTRS is up 30% since I bought it. VZ is up 4%. XOM, that's Exxon Mobil, pays a really good dividend, but it's down 49%. However, if I hang on to it and never sell it, I'm getting a very good dividend every year on that. But I'll probably, we'll see what happens. I might sell it as a capital loss for tax purposes. We'll see. XRX is Xerox. It's up 15% since I bought it. And the trades I made in December, go right down to here. Okay, I sold C, which is Citigroup, and I bought ARKK, I bought ARKW, I sold BP, that was an oil stock, and it had a big capital loss, big loss on that one, but that will come in handy for tax purposes. I'm going to have a really interesting tax situation this year. I bought ARKK again, and then I bought IBM, and I sold AT&T, and I had a little bit of a capital loss on that, which is going to be good for tax purposes. And I bought Sun, S-U-N, Sunoco, and we'll look at a few stocks here. I'll actually analyze some stocks, and then I'll just mention a couple of stocks, and we'll see how they do. So we'll start off with PulteGroup Incorporated, symbol PHM, and the stocks we're looking at right now, these four stocks that I'll analyze, These are stocks that are considered to be undervalued, and $43.12 was the price on closing of the year 2020, $43.12. And the 52-week range, first column a little over halfway down, column on the left, a little over halfway down, 52-week range, $17 to $49.70. So it's nearer to the top certainly, but still has some headroom, and that looks good. The PE ratio, the middle column, 3 items down, PE ratio 9. That's nice, I like that. And go down a little farther to see the forward dividend is 1.27, which is measly. It's not much more than what you get at a bank these days, so the dividend rate is small. 1-year target, 54.87. That would be nice if that happens, and trades about 3 million shares on an average day, and it is considered to be undervalued at Yahoo's Financial Pages, and I do use Yahoo's Financial Pages. I like the ease of finding information there at Yahoo with their financial information. Next stock we'll look at, Lennar, Lennar is the spelling, and the symbol is LEN, and it closed at $76.23, and that is as of the last day of 2020. And we look down 52-week trading range, $25 to $86, $87, and at $76.23 it has some headroom, places to go. The PE ratio, the third item down in the middle column, 9.7. That's good, I like that. And then go down a little further, and we see another measly dividend, 1.28. 1-year target, 94.50. That looks very nice. That might happen, I have no idea. We'll just look at it and say, well, it'll be nice if it happens, and if I happen to buy some, which right at this moment I'm not planning on buying any, and I do not own any at this time, and it is considered to be undervalued. Next stock, D.R. Horton, somehow got the symbol DHI, and the 52-week range, 25.51 to 81.21. So it's in the middle and has lots and lots of headroom, and it could be going up for all we know. 10.75 is the PE ratio in the middle column, third item down, and I like that, 10.75. And another measly dividend, 1.14%. And the 1-year target date, our 1-year target estimate is $89, so that would be nice, and it is considered to be an undervalued stock, and I do not own that one. Then BJ's Wholesale Club Holdings Incorporated, symbol BJ, and the 52-week range, 18.84 to 47.46, and is now 37.28 as of the last trading day of 2020. So it's got headroom to spare. PE ratio 14.08. No dividend, but they're expecting it. The 1-year target is expected to be about $51.37, which would be an awesome climb in 1 year from 37, and it is considered to be undervalued. And I mentioned I would talk about 2 other stocks. I'll just mention them. Do your own research, see what you think. These are the types of stocks that could go zooming up, or zooming up and then zooming down, or just zooming down without zooming up. But there's some incredible activity happening with BNGO, like bingo, BNGO, and NIO. Worth taking a look at in the coming weeks, and do your own analysis and see what you think. And I thank you very much for watching, and let's look forward to a very happy and prosperous 2021. Thank you for watching.